Cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Apa. Today I'm going to cook something a little bit spicy, which is Mapo Tofu. Yeah, Mapo Tofu is not a very difficult dish, but you do have to control the spiciness a little bit. So be mindful when you choose your chili powder or your chili oil. Yeah. So first of all, what do we need? I have 2 pieces of traditional tofu here. Yeah, at the back. This one, cut into cubes, big cubes. Then you will need some minced meat. I'm using minced pork today. Of course, you can use minced chicken as well. And marinated with some light soy sauce, Shao Hsing wine, and some white pepper. And I also put in a little bit of oil inside, yeah, to make it easier to stir fry later. After that, we will need this one. This is actually the about one tablespoonful of broad bean spicy broad bean paste from China. You can actually use, if you can't find this, you can use any spicy bean paste that you can find in Malaysia. And this one is I'm using the Lao Gan Ma chili oil. Yeah. Then we will need some spring onion, some ginger, and some garlic. And not forgetting, we will need some chicken stock. And Appa, of course, today will be using my Cooking Appa 100% natural premium chicken stock powder. Just prepare 1 bowl of hot water, and you just add in approximately 1 teaspoon of my chicken powder, and your aromatic chicken stock is done. You can get it from both Singapore and Malaysia Shopee online. Yeah. So let's start cooking. First thing first, easier to cook it with a non-stick wok because the bean paste can get burned quite easily and stick at the wok's bottom. And you need to give it a little bit more oil here. Let's saute the bean paste for a while. This is the spicy broad bean paste. It has a very distinctive aroma. Next thing is the Lao Gan Ma chili oil, or you can use any chili oil that you can find. Not spicy, by the way. It looks spicy, but it is not. Garlic, ginger, and some of the spring onion. Wow. The thing I like about spicy food is that, well, you make it looks the reddish looks very appetizing, but it really open up your appetite, but it doesn't really have to be very spicy. It can look spicy but not spicy. Super fragrant. And I'm going to put in the marinated pork. Many people always ask Appa, if I don't take Shao Hsing wine, what replacement can I get? Well, if you don't take alcohol, you just omit the Shao Hsing wine part. No need to find replacement, right? So you want to saute the pork, the minced pork or the minced meat for a minute or 2 before we continue. We'll come back shortly. Right, this after about 2 minutes. Next thing you want to do is you can actually add in the chicken stock. Add in the tofu. In the restaurant, normally they will blanch the tofu first. But at home, I think not necessary, up to you. Continue using medium high heat. Yeah? Now we are going to give it some more seasoning here. I'm going to start with a little bit of oyster sauce. The bean paste already is very salty, so be careful be gentle with your saltiness right now. A little bit of light soy sauce. A little bit of salt. And some sugar. You can add in some Shao Hsing wine if you like, up to you. I'm going to let it boil for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then it is done. Right, this is after using a medium-high heat, cooking it for the past about 5 minutes. I think it's good enough. Looking at the color of the tofu, already yummy, yeah? And by putting in the sugar, you are actually helping the saltiness to really go inside the ingredient. It actually intensifies the potency of your salt. So now you can actually off the fire, prepare some starch solution. Give it a few push. You want to thicken it up. Usually they will thicken up the sauce. Right, so that the sauce can actually wrap around the tofu much better. So here's the tofu. Give it some spring onion on top. And I have one more thing. This one. This is the Sichuan peppercorn powder. Yeah, 花椒粉. You will give it some nice numbing flavor. Is numbing a flavor? Anyway, you know what I mean. Sichuan peppercorn powder. Alright, done. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on the Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. A very simple dish. Bye bye.